There was a small town. A Brahmin lived in that town. One day, that Brahmin had to visit another village for some work. He got ready to leave. His mother told him, "Son, why are you traveling alone? Take someone along with you." The Brahmin said, "I know that I have to travel through the jungle, but there is nothing to be scared of. There are no wild animals, nor are there any thieves in that jungle." His mother said, "But it would be better if someone went along with you." The Brahmin said, "Don't worry, mother, and don't even be afraid. Listen, mother, I'll go alone and return back by tomorrow evening after I finish my work." Yet, the Brahmin's mother went to the pond which was in the backyard of the house. And from that pond, she got a crab. She said to her son, "I do not approve of your going all alone. Take this. Keep this crab with you." To console his mother, the Brahmin kept the crab. He kept the crab amidst camphor balls which were kept in a bag. After that, he took his bag and left for his journey. It was summertime. When it was noon, the Brahmin could not bear the heat anymore. Just then, he happened to see a huge tree. The Brahmin thought, "Why not rest for a while under the shade of this tree and proceed again when the heat is less?" Under this tree, the Brahmin opened his food packet. He ate jaggery and bread. Then he decided to lie down under the shade of the tree. He was very tired, so he fell asleep. A snake lived in the trunk of this tree. The snake came out of the trunk and saw the Brahmin. He saw the bag kept next to the Brahmin. He could smell the camphor in that bag. Snakes are known to be very fond of the smell of camphor. Therefore, the snake moved ahead in the direction of the bag, and he slipped into the bag. Then he began eating the camphor balls. Seeing this, the crab got angry and he stung the snake. Finally, the snake died a torturous death. After a while, the Brahmin woke up. He stretched out his arms in the air and got up. Suddenly, he looked towards the bag. And what did he see there? A pitch black snake was lying dead amidst the camphor balls. The Brahmin thought, "This crab has saved my life from the snake." He thanked the crab from the bottom of his heart. He truly felt that we should always listen to our mother. And he wondered, what if I hadn't listened to my mother?